so the next one says, after how many seconds will the suitcase hit the ground? It's still a substitution. What do you know? You know the height is 0. So 0 equals negative 5t squared plus 3,000. That's a quadratic equation. I can solve it like this. When you take 5 out of 3,000, I think you get 600. Is that right? Now, we talked a little bit last week, and I just want to talk about it quickly, about this number out here. And 0 is so magical. That's why we love the zero product property. I'm not going to set negative 5 equal to 0, because I know negative 5 doesn't equal 0. I'm just going to divide by it, and it's gone. Right? 0 divided by negative 5, that's just gone, isn't it? Yeah, it's gone. So if I had a t out here, that would be something, but I don't. I just have a number, so I can just make it be gone, and I can go t squared minus 600 equals 0. And 600 isn't a perfect square, so I can't really factorize that. Do you have another idea? The idea is this. Okay, anytime I take the square root of both sides, I have to use a plus or minus. I'm going to put 600, square root of 600 in my calculator, and I get 24.5 basically. What did I do with the negative one? Yeah, time can't be negative, right? Can't have negative time. It doesn't make sense. It's like negative distance, yeah? So I'll say, and you need to do this, reject negative answer. Okay, so lots of times in these questions, there'll be a tick for saying, I didn't use the negative part. Okay? Do you know where I got this number? Square root of 600? Okay, so what am I going to say? Therefore, it will hit the ground at t equals 24.5 seconds. Is drawing a picture that represents what this says. And I think everybody can do that part. And then it says the area of the triangle is 42 centimeters squared. So I probably would write down that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. And all those formulas for the area and volume and surface area and all that stuff are always on your formula sheets. Okay, they're always there. So that'll be sitting right in front of you to look at, even though you probably already know it, but it will be there. All right, and so I'm going to go, here I go, area equals, not area, forgive me. I know the area, it's 42. 42 equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Now, I think a really, really important skill to learn right now is that I hate this. I don't want that to be there. Can I get rid of it right now? How do you get rid of multiplying by 1/2? Divide by 1/2. What's dividing by 1/2 like? Yeah, timesing by 2. Okay, timesing by 2 gets rid of 1/2, doesn't it? This is 1 divided by 2. So if I do 2 divided by 1, it'll cancel out. So I'm going to, on both sides, multiply by 2. Next thing. Yep. All right, here we go. What do I do next? I've got that sitting there now. Do I set each part equal to 84? It's been done. It's wrong. What do you want to do? You said it. Expand. Nice. 84 equals x squared minus 5x. Now what? These are the words that... Yay! Everything on one side equal to 0. Cool. That's great. When we're doing quadratics, everything on one side equal to 0. Love it. Now, I can factorize, or I can use the quadratic formula. Doesn't matter. Okay, you either use this or use the quadratic formula, and you get x minus 12 equals 0, or x plus 7 equals 0, and you get x equals 12, or x equals negative 7. Okay, what is x again? It's the base of a triangle. Can it be negative 7? So that's where I go reject, negative, answer. And it can be written just like that. Reject, negative, answer. Okay? Doesn't have to be fancy. I'm rejecting it. Okay, so I have the two sides of the triangle. I might draw it again. And I might go, this side's 12, and this side's 7. The 7 does play a role, doesn't it? It's the 12 minus 5 that goes here. But it's certainly not negative 7. And what did they ask me for? Find the base and the height. So I did. Yay. Tick.